Well, Ethan, that's a lot of clothes.
Yeah, it is.
Why are they on the couch?
Because I could not use the washing machine area.
Well, what's wrong with the washing machine?
It was broken.
It was broken?
Yeah.
Was there a sign that was up?
Yeah.
What does it look like? All right, so I plan on using my hand to keep this tube on this gear right here, and instead of having a twisty tie, actually I'm using a twisty tie instead of a nylon strap, just for the fact that I had that handy, and we'll see if this tightens everything up. So wish me luck on that. All right, this took a little bit of finagling, but I was able to get the belt on. I did have to end up using a zip tie, which was a lot easier. I tied it right about here, and I kept rolling the gear around until it actually came out on the other side. And even though I did not have the tool and this was a little bit lower, I was able to keep it here. And then with a couple spins, I was able to line everything back up again. So now is a test to see how everything actually runs. You can rip that up now. You know why? Because the washing machine is fixed.
I only ripped out UT.
UT. Okay, that means you get to fold, well, you get to sort the clothes so that we can do laundry now. After 2 weeks, we are ready for a working washing machine. Oh gosh. Bye.